Today we will do our fourth lesson in the Pixelart class. Today we will do some other designs, like maybe can be some things about war objects or that kind of stuff. So let's get a quick start. But before then, I will start to my screen to share with you. Yes. I can also close my camera. That's enough for the lesson. So let's. What was I doing? Yes, I can open the app. Just a second. So let's create a project, but before then we should make our decision that what will we do in this design. Maybe as I say that I said we can do some war subject, like it can be sword, for example. Let's make a sword. Size can be like this. These sizes are enough for the design. So you can see our canvas is here. So we can start with the holding part of the sword, but before then I should increase these sizes. Okay, that's enough, that's good. And also I will do this like this because this is more comfortable for me in our lessons. So let's continue. Before firstly, actually I will do the background color, because on a background it should be more easier to design something. For now it can be like this, our background. So let's select the maybe this one is much more okay, or maybe I can change some things on here, because holding part should be more lighter, I think. uh, Maybe this color is okay for now. So let's start from maybe here is okay. Sorry. Let's select our paints pen tool. Then maybe it can be like this, or maybe more longer on horizontal. Wait. Mm, or maybe I think it can be like more longer, like this. Okay, that's enough, I think. Or maybe like this, that's enough, I think. So let's select the sword color, the this part, for this part. Maybe this color is, I think we can do some changes on it and it will be okay for us. Like can be like this. Okay, this color is okay for us. So let's start to design it. Maybe it can be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or mm, 1, 2, 3, 4 is okay, I think. 2, 3, 4. Then I will do one more on the top of it, and actually I can do one more to here for the holding pad. That's enough, I think. So let's, maybe I can add here also some other uh, part like this. I think it is much more good, but I think that I should change this color a little bit, like maybe it can be like just a little bit darker. Okay, that's much more okay. Also I will make it longer. Okay, maybe that sizes are enough. Yes, that size are enough. Then I will turn this color again and complete this part. Okay, then I will do. What can we do more for the holding part? Maybe we can add something here, like mm, that's I think good. Let's add some more. Then okay, it's much more okay. Like this. So let's continue from the this parts. This is center of it. So 3, 4 here. Maybe it can be 5. And also let's use our line tool to okay. Let's look at from zoom out. Let's make it like more higher on the center. Then I will select this and this. Okay, for now this is okay. So let's continue with our line tool. Let's select our color and line tool. Then how can it be like maybe actually I think it can be 5 part like this. So let's start. This is okay. Let's do another one, another line to here. Yes, one more here. Not yes. So let's start from here for this one. Maybe this pixel is okay. It can be from like this is okay. I think okay. Maybe one more pixel here. I think this is maybe we can do some things like this to make it more make it more sharp, we can say, or maybe not like this. Okay, in this way I think it is okay. So just a second. Okay, let's continue from here. Let's yes. I think this is okay for for a sport. So let's continue with the shading and lighting part. Firstly we should select our colors for the sports shading parts. So again we think that the light is coming from here, so we will do the shading part to this side of the design. So let's continue. I think let's say the shading part should be like this. So let's select our shading color for this. Maybe we can decrease it this 20%. Let's look at the color. Okay, this is I think okay for the shades. So let's start. I think we can use we can use the line tool for here. Okay, this is okay. Also, shading part is I think okay for this. Maybe we can add one more to here. Okay, also I can use this for here. I think this is okay. Also for this part can be like kind of this maybe. Also for sorry we forget this part. It can be like maybe maybe like this. Okay, I think this is okay. So let's start to make the lightning parts. For this color, I select our color, then I will increase this, so decrease this also like this, and maybe not this. It's okay. Let's get the color we made. Maybe it can be more, a little bit more lighter, so we can do it like this. Okay, this color is good. So let's start to make the lightning part. I can color maybe just a little bit like this. Okay, this color is much more okay. So let's continue. We can also use the line tool for this part. Okay, I think this is okay. So also we should add some lighter parts for here. Okay, I think this is good. Sorry, we forget this parts. We should also add shading and lighting part for these parts. So let's decrease it for the shading. I think this color is okay. And also use the this color again for the lighter parts. Maybe okay. This color is so okay. Okay, that's I think enough. Let's look at it again and think about what can we do also on the design. Let's think about it. Okay, that's enough I think for this design. We can maybe change the background color. Can be red maybe. Okay, the red is okay, but it should be I think darker, like this. Okay, this is okay. I will take it more of the center, or maybe just a little bit right. Okay, that's okay. And I will also show you some other option from here. Create palette from current sprite. It means that like you can create the a palette with the colors from here. Like if I click this button and make it like we have, actually 10 is okay. So let's create it. You can see there is a color palette from the our current canvas. So that design I think okay, and I will show you some other thing that how can we explore this design. For example, to explore it, here you can see we have some options. Firstly, to make our exports, to make them more high quality, we should firstly edit this uh, options like this. It should be nearest neighbor method, and if you have this let's say these options, you have no problems. Then we don't use this two saving options. We should use the export part. Then you should select a file from your PC. I will use masaüstü. What means that desktop. So in here you should firstly you should select your format, whatever you want. It can be, but I will use, let's use PNG files is okay. Then you should make this size like this percentage, because if you make it like less or more, it will be not in a high quality. So let's give it a name like mm, sword. Then I click the enter. Then you can see here our sword design, and it is in the high quality. You can see. So that's good for our sword design. So let's create another design. What can we do? Maybe we can do another war object, but I think we should do something that not suitable about war. So let's create a new project. Maybe we can create a character. Maybe it can be a character. Yes, let's create a character. This the size are I think okay, or maybe it can be just a little bit less. Or I think they're okay. So let's start create it. In this design I will do my background like in this color. I actually you don't have to make your backgrounds in a color, but in our lessons I make them because to show them to you in a easy way. So let's start to create characters. In this design I can use actually the horizontal symmetry maybe. So let's start to design our character. I think maybe we use for that we can use black color. Let's start from maybe its body, or it can be its leg. Maybe the legs will be easier to start here. Start from. So let's start with its leg. It can be, I think, start from here. Sorry, not with this tool. With this tool. We have 3, maybe 4 is okay, or maybe 5 is okay. And I will do this part. So this should be, I think, 3. And it's like maybe this size is okay, not okay. I think this size is okay. For now, we will do it. Or I think this size is okay. I think for now we will make it bigger. If we want, we can do. So let's start with this sizes. Also, I will add some paletting here. Let's start to make the body. I think this is okay for the body. Maybe we can add its arms here, or I think it can be bigger. Okay, this size is, I think, okay for now. This size are okay. So let's continue. We can do something like its shoulders. Can do something like this and maybe this. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's use our paint bucket tool for this part. Then continue with the head. I think it can be like 1, 2, 3, 4 for this part. Let's continue. Actually, its ears maybe, or not ear. I will don't get that much in it. Let's look at it. Maybe it can be like bigger head, like this. Then actually we can remove or this part. Actually, before the previous part is okay. So let's do it again like this. For this to this end. Okay, this is okay for now. So let's create it with its face. The face color is, I think this color is okay for the face, or maybe it can be like more lighter. Okay, this color is okay, I think. Let's continue with the body or clothes, let's say. For the body, I can do like maybe use the line tool for its arms like this. Or I think it should be like maybe Okay, this way is okay. Also, and also I can maybe remove these parts. Let's think about it. Just a second, let me think about it. Actually, the body is so. Uh, Wait, so let's make it a little bit smaller. What can we do for this? Maybe select this color, then maybe we can remove this part. Then maybe remove this part also. Maybe let me think about it. If we do it, just a second, I will try something. It's inside the t-shirt. Should like this, then okay. Sizes are actually now okay, but sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, now we have no problem, so let's continue with its again arms. um, okay, the sizes are now okay. We should do its t-shirt maybe or something. mm, let's start from here. And it can be end with the with this part. It can be, I think, finish, or maybe this part can be okay. Okay, this t-shirt's part is okay, so let's continue with the pants. I think which color is suitable for it? Just a second, I will do a change with the background and use this color maybe, or actually it can be its t-shirt color, and also we should maybe use this color or this one, yes, for its pen. um, hmm. Maybe it can be like this. Okay, I think this is okay. So let me think about what can we do it for its shoes. Okay, I think shoes color maybe like this, or no, I don't like this color. Maybe it can be like this, but we will continue with its let's say shoes later. Let's start to make its face. So I will do some changes on the face line like this, then I will do its eyes firstly. They can be like I think this is okay. Okay, this is okay. I will make its eyes like brown, or maybe it can be green. but we should again change the background. Or okay, this color is okay for the background, so let's continue. Maybe it's hair can be like brown, like uh, not this way, maybe in this way. Hmm, actually the eyes should like a little bit like this. Then we can also start to make its hair or something. One more here. We can do one more here. Then the hairline, maybe the hairline is okay, but I think the eyes are looking not normal. What can we do for this? Maybe we can do them like little bit here. Let's try it. Okay, this way is much more okay. For this time also I can add a wrestling wrestle bracelet to here, and maybe we can do what more for its face or for the other parts. Let me think about it. Okay, I think for now it is okay, so let's do some shadings or something for its maybe we can do it's his eyes like maybe it can be like this, and maybe we can do this a little bit lighter because it is so much different from the white. Maybe just a little bit darker like this. Okay, this way is maybe also it can be like this. Okay, this way is okay, so let's do what can we do another. Let's add a lighter part on his ear, like two ways. Okay, what can we do also? We can maybe add some shading part on his hairline, like okay, this way is okay. Maybe we can do some here, or let me think about this. Or in this part it should be like more lighter, like this. Okay, this way is okay. Maybe what can we do also? maybe add some parts on its clothes, like the jacket, maybe. And I will also do some changes on this part, by the way. Mm, mm, okay, this way is, I think, suitable. What can we do also? I think it is so small in the center. So let's add the sprites, maybe. Like, hmm, or maybe we can, hmm, what can we change on it? Okay, I think this one is, so maybe we can create another character like this. But before then we should add some other parts on it, like shading on its jacket, maybe. Mm, okay, this way is okay, I think. So this character maybe can okay, and also we can do maybe its color, his eyes colors more darker like this. Okay, I think, what can we do on it more? Maybe we can edit its shows, like, hmm, I think, not like this, but okay, shoes are okay, I think, for now. What can we do more? Let's say the shading part on the pants, maybe like this. It can be okay, like in a darker way. Hmm, I think this way is okay, maybe some others. What can we do more on it? Okay, this character is, I think, okay for now. So let's create another character, maybe with, again, this one. Make it's here. Then I will use this. Then I will create the same to here, maybe. Okay, let's we can, what can we do on it? Like, we can change its hair color like orange. Also, what we can do, we can change its eyes color like this. Then we can add like lighter part on it, like maybe like this. Okay, what can we do more? Like this, it can be we can do its jacket like this color. Okay, also we can make its hand like this maybe, and also like this maybe can be, sorry, not like this. This part will be like this, and then this part maybe can be like this. Okay, what can do more on issues? Maybe they can be brown, not brown, but in this way. Okay, we do two different characters here. They are okay. You can see. So in this lesson we created some designs like this, or this like a sword, and two different type of characters. So these lessons for this lesson they are, I think, enough, but just a second, we have a mistake here. Okay, so in this lesson we created two different designs, and we learned how we can export these designs in high quality. So that's enough for this lesson. Thank you for listening to me. Good